Hello, good morning. My name is Carlos Andrés Bustos Diaz. I study in National University in UNAT and study I study system engineering and I'm 22 years old. My prediction into 20 years old is number one. Machines will by be smart in that use. In the future, robots are wished by so smart they help push which every time for daily tasks to more complete hub. How will have attack will make our life much easier. Number two, the planet will take every roommate more seriously. I am sure that in 20 years old people will finish reality and happening so the planet will use clean energy at the very more responsibly with the every modernity. Climate change world and injury animary. Number two, space travel for every choice. In the future, it worked so rare for people to travel in space. Maybe never tourists to the moon of Mars. Space travel will become more convenient and people will be happily to visit other planets. Number 4. City will be greener. Cities are going to shorten complete. They will be more parks, gardens, and green space will technology to make science cleaner and will life and commerce helping way. Number 5. Fleet cars. In 20 years, cars won't stay on the ground. Fleet vehicles are expected to become common. Traffic at turnout it today will be a time of the parts. Number 6. Medicine will be way more advanced. This is that worry us today will have more effective treatment and people will lifelong here live. Number 7. Education will be digital. Instead of going to class and classroom will be a great study from home using the internet. Will learn at your own pace and education will be much more accessible. Number 8. Remote work will be two norms. Working from home will be norms for most people. Offices will disappearing, and people will able to work from home with her. Connectivity to thank you to technology. Number 9. Money will be digital. Cash and coin will be this of the past will you ready money like cryptocurrencies the cryptocurrencies to make the transaction physical money will represent technology with connection number 10 with connection in new ways social media and technology with Epoli will be uh, Epoli will be more connected than you were before, and which she was happening anywhere in the world in reality time as in the world where where we were as if were Terry. Thank you for thank thank you for your attention. Bye bye.